Sir, please start.
Sir. Good morning, everyone. Today we will be touching upon. Today we will be touching upon many chapters. So please, you are requested to be very active and get your doubts clarified from any of the chapters. Here we start. We'll be very selective. We'll be touching upon at least 4 chapters today. At least 1 and 2 questions from each chapter. I will give you adequate time to revise. I'm starting with hire purchase and pure installment system. I'm starting with hire purchase. Can you tell me the page number of your book for hire purchase? Saving time for you and me. 531. Here we go to 531. Yes, guys. Here is the question. We will be revising each and every chapter today. So hire purchase, we start with this question. You are requested to read the question very well. Good morning, everyone again. Yes, Kanchan, good morning. The aim is to touch upon at least 10 chapters. I'm saying at least 10 chapters. Please read the question. I give you 2 minutes to read the question. Guys, hope you have read the question well. Hope you have read the question well. Let's answer it. Let's answer it. A transport purchased from Kolkata. A transport purchased from Kolkata Motors. Kolkata Motors 3 tempos 50,000 each. Means total 1,50,000. 30,000 down balance installments with interest. Couldn't pay the second installment. Leaving one, the two are taken over at depreciation 30%. You have to prepare in the books of a transport purchaser Let's do it. You will say books of A transport. In the purchaser books, you will make the account of vendor Kolkata Motors. From Kolkata Motors, very interesting, very easy chapter. On 1st of Jan 2020, we purchased what? Let's see, we purchased what? We purchased tempos. So we purchased tempos account. We purchased 3 tempos worth 1,50,000. So asset will be debited, liability will be created. Guys, as we are revising hire purchase, you have all the rights to ask any point. Unless you ask a point, okay, you will not be able to get the full benefit of the lecture. There is a lot of demand. The down payment is 30,000. On the same day. On the same day, the down payment is 20,000. Outstanding is 1,20,000. The interest will get accrued, increasing the liability. The interest will be at the rate of 9%. $10,800. At the end of the year, you will pay the first installment. Installment will be principal plus interest. You will pay 50,800. The carry down will be 2 installments. The remaining 2 installments. The interest will be 9% of 80,000. Now the purchaser couldn't pay the payment. So vendor repossessed the tempos. the tempos. At what value they are repossessed? 50,000 is for 1. 2 repossessed means 1 lakh minus 30% depreciation. Whatever the balance is minus 30% another depreciation. So at this value, the tempos are repossessed. So answer will be 1 lakh minus 30%, minus 30%, 49,000. 31, 12, 21. Two balance carry down. The balance carry down will be 38, 200. One 22. Balance brought down. The name of the topic is default and partial repossession. Default and partial repossession. Now, when the last payment is made, let's study. When the last payment is made, question is silent. So the last payment is made at the year end. So last payment is made on 31/12/22 by interest. 38,200 into 9%. 3438. So total is 41638. And the last payment will be made to bank. That is 4168. Let's match the account with your institute. What it says about this account. Absolutely perfect. Beautiful. Another account is, do you wish to say anything? Yes, members, any doubt? Kanchan, any doubt? There is a lot of demand about dependent branch. I will see sparing time. We will discuss dependent branch again. We are saying Tempo's account. Tempo's account. 1120. 1120. Two balance brought down. Tempo's 1,50,000. Depreciation is 30,000. Two balance brought down. Depreciation will be 24,000. Remaining three tempos will be 96,000. Remaining three tempos will be 96,000. Out of three, the balance carried down is out of 96,000, one is left. Means out of 96,000, one is left. That is 32,000. The two repossessed becomes 64,000. But taken over by, this is not brought down. This is not brought down. We have purchased it from A Transport. No, A Transport is our own name. It is purchased from Kolkata Motors. It is taken back by Kolkata Motors. 64,000 worth by loss on surrender of tempos. The loss is 15,000. Loss. Your book have made two accounts. We are making two accounts. Otherwise, two more accounts can be interest account and depreciation account, easy accounts. Two balance brought down 32,000. Okay. Additional accounts that would be prepared. Depreciation account, interest account. Prepare working notes US. No doubts, no doubts, and no doubts. So Kanchan is replying. Other members, you are requested to please reply. I'll be touching upon most popular questions of every chapter. One question because I am just left with one more lecture to take. So this is about hire purchase. We'll be going to the next chapter now. I will try to touch upon many of the chapters today, giving you the open invitation to ask doubts you are not asking. Next question is from insurance claims loss of stock. Next is insurance claims loss of stock. Next question is, guys, sometimes the answer of your book is wrong. So give me a minute to check, is this answer right or is this answer wrong? Many times the answer of the books are wrong. Chaliye, don't enter into a controversy, leave it. We will do some other question. We will do some other question. We will not enter into a controversy. We don't intend to enter into a controversy. What answer I will provide you that need to be correct. Any other answer could be faulty. Rest assured. Rest assured, the answer which I will provide you need to be correct. Rest assured. Read the question. Read the question. I do start it. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Trading account 2021. I mean to say for the year ending. To opening stock. Be very good. An item was, we will make three columns. We will make three columns. One is for normal items, abnormal items, and the total. Now the opening stock of 21 includes the item costing 20 valued at 12 down by 8. That means the opening stock 76,800 is down by 8,000. Otherwise 76,800 plus 8, it would have been of 24,800, including abnormal item 20,000, normal item 64,800. Purchases and sales are given. 320 are the purchases. Sales are 405,200. Including sale of abnormal item 5,200. The normal item is sold for 4 lakhs. The closing stock is given at the closing 63,600. Includes half the stock, half is sold, half remains 10,000. but now it is valued at 4,800, down by 5,200, costing 10,000, costing 10,000. The sold is, there is a loss on sale, loss on sale. The loss on sale is 4,800. The loss on sale is 4,800. In normal goods, there will be a gross profit that will be balancing figure. $63,600 plus 5,200, it is 68,800. This is 58,800. 458,800 minus 64,800 minus 3,20,000. 458,800 minus 64,800 minus 320, 74,000. 18.5%. Let's read the question once again. All well, no problem. All well, no problem. Mathematical totaling, we will check later on. Mathematical totaling, we'll check later on. 74,000, 320, 84, 800, 4. Normal GP rate is equal to 74,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100, that is 18.5%. Now you said memorandum trading P&L account. Memorandum trading account. From 1/1/20, from 1/1/21 to 31st of March. From 1/1/22/21 to 31st of March 21. 21 or 22? 22. Normal items. Normal items. Total. 10,000. 58,800. 68,800. Two purchases by sales. The sales given are 120 to 800. Including 2,800. 1 lakh 20,000. The purchases are the purchases are 108. The gross profit on normal goods is 18.5%, 20 to 200, 20 to 200. Loss on sale of abnormal item is 2200. The remaining is valued at 60% of original cost. While loss on reval is 2000. Buy stock on the date of fire. Buy stock on the date of fire. So buy stock on the date of file. $58,800, 1,08,022 minus this minus 1,20,000. It is 69,000 plus 3,000. It is 72,000. 1,89,000. I am not explaining at depth. It is a revision class. It will behave like a revision class. $1,99,000. Perfect. Stock on the date of fire. Salvage stock is 24,000. Salvage stock is stock on the date of fire is 72,000. Less salvage stock is 24,000. Stock destroyed oblique claim to be lodged will be equal to 48,000. Note. Average clause will not apply as policy cover is for sufficient amount. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? You want the file to be shared, you will get the file. Tell your doubt. You want me to share this file? I will share this file in the evening in the WhatsApp group. Hope every member here in the class is part of WhatsApp group. Yes. Guys, now the next question. This is consequential loss policy. This is consequential loss policy. Hope you knew the topic well. Hope you knew the topic very well. Here we begin. Let's start with the first step. We said short sales. Reduction in turnover. We said the sale for the corresponding period, turnover for the corresponding period was this. Now this is this. Turnover for corresponding period. Add expected increase. This is expected turnover. Turnover of dislocation period. This is called short sales. Gross profit rate. The formula is gross profit Let's apply the formula directly. Net profit and insured standing charges 70 and 56. 70 and 56. Upon turnover of last financial year. Turnover of last financial year 420. Into 100. This is 30%. Third step is loss of profit. The formula is step 1 short sales into GP rate. That is 1,50,000 into 30%. Step number 4 is adjusted. Step number 4, part A. adjusted annual turnover. That is turnover of 12 months before fire plus expected increase. Next is gross profit. I am not saying gross profit rate, I am saying gross profit. One five five 250. Next step is additional expenditure. Next step is additional expenditure. Part 1. Additional expenditure. The additional expenditure is additional expenditure is 6,700. Second part is proportionate additional expenditure. We can get two answers. Answer by traditional approach. Answer by modern approach. Answer is 6,700 into 6,700 into last year net profit and last year total standing charges and insured standing charges. So answer is 70,000 net profit plus insured standing charges divided by net profit of last financial year upon total standing charges. So answer will be 6,700 into 1,26,000 upon 1,34,000, 6,300. The modern answer is GP upon GP plus uninsured. GP plus uninsured. So the answer is 6,700 into 155 to 50 divided by 163 to 50. Answer is 6,372. Third is, so answer is either 6,300 or 6,372. Third is savings of profit. We will assume if we would not have done this, we are assuming if we would not have done this expenditure, turnover would have been nil. All 80,000 achieved here. So savings are 24,000. So least of the above. Least of the above. That will be part number 2. Either 6300 or 6372. And the last step. And the last step. And the last step. Claim to be lodged. Claim to be lodged. Step 3. Step 3, the loss was 45,000. Plus step 5 minus savings into the policy amount is 1,25,000. The policy amount is 1,25,000. Now there are possibility of two answers. 45,000 plus 6,300 minus 2,450 into 1,25,000 divided by this. Answer is 39,332. This is one answer. Wait, there is another answer. You want the answer 39,390. Wait. $45,637 minus 2,450 into 1,25,000 divided by this. Answer is 39,390. Means you must follow modern approach with regard to steps. Guys, answer is done. Good luck. This is all intelligence, you see. This is all intelligence. Members, any doubt? Any doubt, please? Any doubt, please? Today is a chance to revise so many chapters. Good luck. Now we go to branch accounting. Now we go to branch accounting and see what best possible we could do with regard to branch accounting. Guys, here we do 5 questions. Here we do 5 questions of branch accounting for your full advantage. I say full, matlab full. I say branch accounting. I say 5 questions. Let's begin with question number 1. take full advantage, full benefit of good knowledge. Where are the questions? Here are the questions. Branch accounting. Branch accounting. Wait, you will get the advantage. Just wait, let me find few best questions for you. Surely you will get. Guys, let's solve this answer very quickly in 5 minutes. Let's solve this answer in 5 minutes. These are 5 questions, so let's number it. Question number 1. The loading is 3 plus 1, 4. Apply method 1 to 3. Opening stock, goods sent. Opening stock, closing stock, goods sent, every information not available. Okay. I'm just reading the question for your full advantage. I have read it, applying it, giving the full benefit. I say method 1. I mean to say debtors method. I will prepare branch account. I will say to branch stock. The branch stock at the commencement is 3,60,000. Having stock reserve. Having stock reserve of 90,000. Goods sent to branch 24 lakhs. Goods sent to branch 24 lakhs. Return goods to head office 1,20,000. Loading will be reversed by goods sent to branch account. L for loading. The loading of 24 lakhs is 6 lakhs. The loading of 1,20,000 is 30,000. So it is 5,70,000. Guys, very slow. Normal loss will not come in branch account. Abnormal loss will not come in branch account. Credit sale will not come in branch account. Cash sale will not come in branch account. Cash or credit sales will not come in branch account. They have not told us the collection. So I am assuming there is no collection. I will take it as closing debtors, or you take it as collected later on. So I will say buy bank or buy cash. Ultimately, credit sales will be collected. The 2160. 2160 plus 1,20,000 plus 1,20,000. This is 22,80,000. By branch stock. The closing branch stock is 288 plus 48. 288 plus 48, 336. To stock reserve. Stock reserve will be 84,000. L is loading. This is the profit to journal P&L. Simple as that. To journal P&L. The net profit is transferred to journal P&L. Let's match the answer. 90,000, 1,20,000, 5,70,000 plus this plus this 3396 minus 84,000 minus 3,60,000 minus 24 lakhs. 5,52,000 guys. Let's match the answer. 5,52,000. Let's match the answer. 5,52,000. Let's match the answer. 5,52,000. Beautiful answer, guys. Beautiful answer. We go to method 2. We are talking about stock and debtors method. Start. Assumed cash collected from debtors is equal to credit sales. or write it opposite. Assumed credit sales assumed credit sales are equal to cash collected from debtors. Please tell me your doubts. I am eagerly waiting to know your doubts. No member is telling me any doubt. Increase your speed now. Branch stock account to balance brought down to goods sent to branch account by branch cash account by branch debtors account by goods sent to branch account returns by shortages by normal loss by balance carry down. Beautiful piece of knowledge, guys. Support me. Opening stock is 360, 24 lakhs. Closing stock 336. Normal abnormal loss, 24,000, 36,000. Next is credit sales and cash sales 2160. 2160. 1,20,000. All said and done. 2160, 1,20,000, 1,20,000. 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs 96,000. Surplus is 36,000. To surplus. Now going further. I will only make relevant accounts. Branch adjustment account. By stock reserve. By goods sent to branch. By surplus. To normal loss. To shortages. To stock reserve. To branch P&L account, that is gross profit. That is gross profit. It will be transferred to balancing figure. Beautiful and grand. This is 90,000. This is 6 lakhs. This is 36,000. 36,000. Loading is 6,000. Stock reserve is 84,000. So the answer is let's match the answer. There is one more information in the question, guys. Wait. There is normal loss, there is abnormal loss, there is cash sales, there is credit sales, there are returns. Returns. The loading of returns is not taken care of. Wait. This is 6 lakhs minus 30,000. This is 5 lakhs. Loading of goods sent to branch net. So this is 90,000 plus 5 lakh, 70,000. Surplus 36,000. Let's match the answer. Let's match the answer. All well. So total is this plus 36. It is 696. It is 696. It is 570. Now I will prepare branch P&L account. I will say branch adjustment account. GP. Two shortages. The loading portion and net profit will be transferred to general P&L account. 552. It is beautiful. Now, another method, method 3. That is memorandum. That is final accounts method. I will make memorandum branch trading and profit and loss account for the year ending. Two opening stock at cost 270. Two goods sent to branch costing 18 lakhs. Return 90,000. It is 17 lakh 10,000. Buy sales. Cash plus credit. Buy sales 2160. 2160 plus 120. 2160 plus 120. 2280. Buy shortages at cost 18,000. Buy closing stock 3,36,000. 2,52,000 at cost. To gross profit by gross profit. So 2,52,000 plus 18,000, 2280. This is 2550. This is 2550 minus 2,70,000 minus 17,10,000. It is 5,70,000. Shortages. That is 18,000 to net profit. Beautiful, guys. We did one good question and at length, in depth. Beautiful, done. Good luck. The next question now. Doubts, please, if any. No doubts. Continue with your hard work. Oh, good lengthy question now. Say good lengthy question. Good lengthy question. Guys, the loading is 20% off. Now we are on question number 2. This is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, guys, this is the question. Apply method 1, 2, 3. If this is at cost price, that will be 1,50,000 at IP. Everything so well covered. Answer is going to be very beautiful, guys. Wish you good luck. Goods received from head office. Goods received from head office. Goods returned to head office. Cash, credit, sales, opening stock, opening debtors, collection from debtors, discount, return. So this is return 1. This is return 1. This is return 2. There are bad debts. There are bad debts recovered. These are the expenses. These are the expenses. 24,070, 2,000, 9,200. These are 1,05,200. Very simple question, guys. Answer ready. Say method one. Say debtors method. Make it a habit of doing it fast. I will say branch account. I will just write the information and then the things will move so easy. I will say to branch stock. To branch debtors. Buy stock reserve. To goods and to branch. Buy goods and to branch. Not loading, no. Buy goods and to branch. This is loading. To cash. Buy cash. Buy branch stock. Buy branch debtors. To stock reserve. To general P&L account. Beautiful format. Answer. Goods are 840. Returns are 60,000. 840. 60,000. The loading of 840 is 1,40,000. 60,000 loading is 10,000. So it is 1,30,000. Next, cash sale, credit sale, ignore. Opening stock 72, opening debtors 96. 72, 96. Next. Cash 438, cash received from debtors, cash received from debtors 438. Cash remittances plus 438. Plus cash from cash sales 185. Plus bad debts recovered 1,000. So amount will be 185 plus 1,000 plus 438. Remittances will be 620, 624. 105, 200 expenses. Show it here, this plus this plus this. Closing stock 150. Closing stock 150. The loading is 25,000. All said and done. All said and done. All said and done. Nothing is left. It's simple. Opening stock loading is 12,000. Closing stock you refer to working note. So working note. Memo. Branch. Debtors. To balance brought down. To sales. By branch cash. By bad debts. By discount. By returns. By balance carried on. Opening 96, collection 438. Now. Credit sales 625. Credit sales 625. Credit sales 625. Debtors openings 96. 96. Cash deal 438. Discount 7500. Bad debts 5500. Bad debts 5500. 7500. Return number 2 14,000. Return number 2 14,000. So 96,000 plus 6,25,000. Hope you are listening, guys. What extra we can do in given time? 721. 721 minus 438 minus this minus this. It is 256. I'm saying 256. So 256 plus 1,50,000 plus 624 plus 1,30,000 plus 60,000 plus 12,000. It is 1232 minus 72 minus 96 minus 814 minus 105,200 minus 25,000 93,800. We need to check the answer because we did it fast. We can check the totaling again at least once. So we do it. 93,800. Beautiful answer, guys. Excellent answer. Now, method 2. Stock and selected accounts. You will make the balance yourself, but will make selected. Run stop. So the opening stock was very fast. Opening stock 72,840, 72,000, 8,40,000, return 60,000, cash sale plus credit sales 625, credit sales, returns, the returns are 14,000. Branch cash sale, cash sale, cash sale, cash sales 185, cash sales are 185. So normal loss, abnormal loss, surplus, shortages, something else, something else, something else, something else, nothing else. None. Closing stock definitely 150. Closing stock is 150. So by balance carry down. So 150 plus 60,000 plus 625 plus 185. The total is 10,20,000. Minus 14 minus 820. 840 minus 72. Surplus is 94,000. So my surplus is 94,000. Let's see what is the answer given by this institute 94,000. Okay, guys. Beautiful. I make branch adjustment account. I make branch adjustment account. I will say buy stock reserve. I will say buy goods sent to branch. I will say surplus. The loading is opening stock. 840, the loading is this. Returns, the loading is reversed. Net loading 130. Closing stock reserve will be reversed. Closing stock reserve. The closing stock is 150. The stock reserve is 25,000. This need to be gross profit, which will be transferred to branch P&L. Gross profit. 12,000 plus 1,30,000 plus 94,236 minus 25,211. So 211. Now we go to branch P&L account. Now we go to branch P&L. By branch adjustment 211. To branch expenses. To bad debts. To bad debts. To discount. To general P&L. By BDR. So the branch expenses are 105,200. Branch expenses are this plus this plus this 105,200. The bad debts are 5,500 discount 5,500 7,500. So 2,12,000 minus 105,200 minus this 93,800. Now we prepare method 3. That is final accounts method. We prepare memorandum trading account. We say prepare memo branch P&L yourself. We said opening stock 60,000. We said goods sent to branch 7 lakhs minus returns 6,50,000. We said sales 1,85,000 plus credit sales. Plus credit sales 625 plus 625. 185 plus 625 plus 625. We said by closing stock 125. So 185, 625, it is 8,10,000. 8,10,000 plus 125, this is total 935. Minus minus. What else is left? Just a second. What opening stock, closing stock? Let's check the values. Opening stock, okay. Closing stock, okay. Returns, 14,000 we missed. They are returns, minus returns. Returns are 14,000. So 185 plus 625 minus 14, it is 796 plus 125, it is 921. It is GP. 2,11,000. Guys, beautiful time frame, and we did this much. Thank you so much. Doubts, please. You are not asking your doubts, and we are doing so many questions. Next question, guys. Hard work will not stop here. Hard work will not stop here. Small question. Very small question. Today's question number 3. The loading is 2 plus 1, 3. Apply method 1, 2, 3. You are given opening stock, you are given opening debtors, goods and sales, return from debtors, surplus, expenses, discount, closing debtors, and beautiful answer, guys. Everything is beautiful to answer, need to be beautiful. I say method 1. Branch count. 2 branch stock, 2 branch debtors, 2 goods and 2 branch, 5 stock reserve, 5 goods and 2 branch loading, 2 cash, 5 cash, 5 branch stock, 5 branch debtors, 2 stock reserve, 2 journal fee. Now the opening stock is 31,200. This is 10,400. Next is opening debtors, 17,400. Next, goods invoiced at cost. Goods invoiced at cost. If at cost is this much, the invoice price will be IP will be equal to 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Branch cash sale, credit sales आएगी नहीं. The cash sales will be remitted. Next, a goods returned by debtors will not come surplus, will not come expenses. Add branch 13,400. 13,400. Debtors will closing debtors 14,300. Closing debtors 14,300. Closing debtors now. We need working notes. To solve the answer, we need working notes. We are dependent upon the working notes. Okay, we said working note 1. I'm trying to do 5 questions. Let's see. This is the third one. Memo, branch, stock account. I said to balance brought down, to goods sent to branch by sales, to surplus by balance carry down. If nothing is there, I will tell you how. It's my job. 31,200. 31,200. Goods sent 1,08,000. Surplus is 600. Sales are cash plus credit 20 plus 68,200. 20 plus 68,200. 88,200. What else is given? Once give me a chance again to read the question well. Yes, returns 3,000. Returns 3,000. Returns 3,000 and surplus expenses discount debtors. Nothing else is there. So I will get balance carried down. At least one balancing figure is our duty. So I said 31,200 plus 1,08,000 plus 3,000 plus 600. Is the figure 600 only? Yes. 142,800 minus 88,200. This is 54,600. Let's match the answer. Let's match the answer. Branch stock 54,600. Beautiful. Let's make working note 2. Memo, branch, debtors. This is brought down. This is sales. This is the returns. This is cash. This is carried down. Credit sales 68,200. Returns is 3,000. Opening debtors 17,400. Closing debtors 14,300. And discount is 700 and nothing else. And discount is 700. So 17,400, 68,200, 85,600 minus this. Collection is 67,600. Collection is 67,600. Collection is 67,600. This is 87,600. Closing stock is 54,600. Loading is 18,200. 10,400 plus 36,000 plus 87,600 plus 54,600 plus 14,300. 202,900. 202,900 minus 31,200 minus 17,400 minus this minus this minus this. Answer is this much is the answer only. 14,700. So the answer is 14,700. Now we go to the next method, guys. Stock and status method. Selected accounts. Branch adjustment account. By stock reserve. By goods sent to branch. By surplus to stock reserve to gross profit. Yes, guys, tell me the important matter. Loading opening 10,400. Loading of goods sent 36,000. Loading of closing stock. Loading of closing stock 18,200. If nothing more important is there, 28,800 should be GP. If give me 1 minute more, I will try to write it systematically. 68,200. 68,200. 20,000 I will write in a way which will benefit you all the more. Now it is fine. Here. Done. Now we prepare branch P&L account. Now we prepare branch P&L account by branch adjustment. The name of the expenses are 13,400 amount of the expense to branch expenses. 13,400 to branch discount 700. Discount 700. Discount 700. and this is the net profit. $28,200 minus $13,400 minus $700. There's something else as well. Discount expenses surplus invoiced, कुछ और नहीं है, nothing else. So 28,800. 28,800. So guys, the answer is complete. Thank you so much. It's a great contribution of yours. We did 3 beautiful, good questions, guys. Please request now, at least ask your doubts. You will not be asking, I will be doing more. I will be doing more for you. Please ask your doubts. Don't do like this. Do ask, guys. Ask your doubts. If not, next 9 minutes, we can think of one more chapter now. No resting at all. We will think of one more chapter today itself. We are thinking of one very small chapter today itself. We have done with departmental accounts. Departmental accounts. Branch and departmental. Guys, departmental accounts, let's find this answer in given time. Limited time and lot of contribution. Let's solve this answer. A sell goods at a profit of 25% on cost. A to B. A to C. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, 10% of cost. B sells to A and C at this much percentage on sales, and C sells this much percentage on cost. 20% on cost is 5 plus 1, 6. 25% on cost means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Commission is 10%. And the given profits after commission are, so the before commission, the profits will be before commission going reverse, the profits will be 40,000. The profits will be 30,000. The profits will be 20,000. Okay. Now adjustment for stock reserve. Now adjustment for stock reserve answer is going to be ready in next. No time. Now a stock lying with department B and C. This stock is sent by A, so A has earned a profit of 1/5 in this, that is 3,000. And 1,000 in this. So the profits will be reduced to 36,000. Now 10% commission, that is 3,600. And the final profit is 32,400. The answer has matched. Such an easy question. We are doing departmental. A department B gives to A and C at a profit of 15% on sales minus 2,100. At 20% of sales, that is 2,400. This is 25,500 minus 10% commission, which will amount to 2,550. It is 22,950 is the answer. Third department, 6,000. Stock reserve is 1,000, 5,000. Stock reserve is 1,000. The final profits are 18,000, 10% commission, which amounts to 1,800. The final profit is 16,200. Guys, the answer is done. Next question. This question is very easy but little time consuming. Time will not permit you to do this question. These are all small, easy questions. I will tell you how to find GP and quickly. In this question, how to find GP and very quickly. Now, opening stock is given, purchases are given, and sales are given. The closing stock units will be closing. Closing units will be closing units 120 plus 1,000 minus 1,020. Closing units will be 100 x y. 80 plus 2,000 minus 1,290 will be 160. Closing units, third department Z, 152 plus 2,400 minus 1,496 is equal to 56. These are the closing units. I bet on it. Now, you want to know GP rate. The GP rate will be assuming the units purchased are sold. GP rate, sale value of units purchased. 1,000, 2,000, 2,400 into 20 into 22.5 into 25. The sale value is going to be 20,000 memory plus 45,000 memory plus 24, 48, 60,000 memory plus MRC 1,25,000. Cost is equal to 1 lakh. Margin is equal to 25,000. That is 20% of sale value. That is 20% of sale value. Now you know the sales. Now you know the sales. So you will come to know the profit. The GP per unit will be GP per unit 20% of sales. GP per unit will be 4. GP per unit will be 4.5. GP per unit will be 5. So let's find the GP. So GP will be equal to 1020. Answer is going to be over 1020, 1920, 2496 into 4 into 4.5 into 5. This is 4080. 1920 into 4.5. Answer is 86401496 into 5. Answer is this. Let's match the answer. Class will get over. So the gross profit. Absolutely fine, guys. And good luck, guys. Time is over. Sir. Guys, any doubt? We did so many questions. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.